Let's draw Foxy in 4 styles. We have normal, withered, nightmare, and shadow. Let's start with the normal side. And also, I know that there's no shadow side. I wanted to create a different side to Foxy, seeing as shadow is one of my favorite versions of all the FNAF characters, so I hope you like it. So the channel is nearly at 2k subs, and I want to say a massive thank you to everyone for subscribing and liking my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And there we have normal Foxy. It's time to move on to Withered Foxy. So I know a lot of you have been asking for Ignited Foxy, and hopefully I can do a single video for this version soon, along with the other characters like Spring Bonnie and Monty. And there we have Withered Foxy. What you think? It's time to move on to Nightmare Foxy. I think out of all the FNAF characters, Foxy is possibly one of the scariest, especially when he comes up that corridor and you have no batteries left in your flashlight. Who do you think is the scariest character in FNAF? Let me know in the comments. And there we have Nightmare Foxy. What do you think? It's time to move on to Shadow Foxy. I think it's important to point out when it comes to being an artist that it's good to try different things and create your own pieces of art. And I know that there's no version of Shadow Foxy, but I think I've done a really awesome job on creating one, and I hope that you do like it. And there we have Shadow Foxy. Which side is your favourite? Is it normal, withered, nightmare, or shadow? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.